Hello and welcome to another update video. I'm here on the Link daily time frame just to explain again what the structure here on the daily time frame says before we go to the micro patterns. So on the daily chart, we're dealing here with a corrective pullback, which could lead to a third wave rally. The concern I have is that Binance, the Binance low, printed at around $8.30. Whereas the Coinbase low last Friday, so a bit more than a week ago, printed, here around $15. So which one do we trust? Hard to say, hard to say. I think I like to follow the Coinbase chart, but need to be aware that it is possible that, the price actually bottomed down here, and that would mess up the entire structure. It wouldn't change much overall, because it would simply mean that the B wave that we tracked as being potentially complete in June simply extended, and it landed in bull market support and recovered. So, I mean, what can I say? It wouldn't really change too much, but it still means that there's a bit of uncertainty around this price action here. What really matters going forward is that the bulls can drive the price back above the yellow line here around, what is that, $27. We need to get back above this line, then also above 31, and then the door opens to 47 plus. This has not happened yet, okay? Whether we, assume the B wave bottomed here in June or last Friday, it doesn't really make a difference because we either way need to get the price above that $27 level. Now let's take a look at the shorter time frame as well for BTC. And here on the shorter time frame, I'm tracking for a potential 1-2 setup, but please be aware that another low is very, very likely because we cannot trust this low on Coinbase. That's number one. Number two, or reason number two, the move up from the swing low here on Friday the 10th ended as a 3-wave pattern. It's a 3-wave move up. It's not 5 waves. So it's a bit of a messy structure. Corrective can easily lead to another low. Will surely depend to a degree on Bitcoin as well. Both are possibilities, and the pivot between the two is the swing low here from Friday, this week's Friday, around $15.65. So as long as we're holding that, I think there's a potential for a breakout. I'm not expecting it right now. Looks corrective to me, looks like a weak move up. Could be a B wave. I posted it in yesterday's member update. We might see a B wave bounce over the weekend. The resistance area is still relevant, $17.48 to $19.68. So as long as we are holding below $19.68 and cannot break above it, the door remains open to a broader wave 2 as shown in blue, and then $13.30 needs to hold or the entire structure starts to crack. And then I will not be able to call that a 1-2 setup anymore, right? Then the door opens to another test of our lower, main bull market support area. This is upper support. This is the main bull market support, which has been holding in any pullback in this cycle. So it's either 1330. If we can't hold that, then 690 will become the new main support level. So I'm actively observing this chart here, obviously, for any signal that we could have formed a more substantial low. Hasn't happened yet. I'll keep you updated. Please be aware where our resistance area is located. And if we go up there, get rejected, that is likely the start of the C wave down. And then the true test will come around $13.30. That's the update on Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested, make sure to follow us on X for additional charts, updates, and much more. And tomorrow, we've got our member live stream on Sunday, again, 5 p.m. UTC. Check it out if you're interested. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.